Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel about somatic embodiment. Today's video is gonna be quite short and I just want to share two essential practices for self-care and self-soothing of your nervous system. They're very two basic and simple things that you can do to calm your nervous system down, especially in the moments of overwhelm, in the moments when you feel you're maybe panicking, you have anxiety, things are just getting too intense. And sometimes, we don't realize that there are such a simple practices that we can do ourselves that can be really crucial and help us so much. So the first practice you can do when you feel overwhelmed, you feel anxious, just too much things going on in your life, you feel sort of out there, outside of your body, and things are just, there's just lots going on and you're kind of dispersed, is a self-hug. So you can either just hug yourself very simply like this, or if you want a little bit more effect when it comes to the meridians and the nervous system, you can put one arm under the armpit and then the second arm around the other shoulder, and you just stay here and you just tune in into yourself and you give yourself the presence that you need right now and the care. You can stay as long as you want. You can also apply a self-caress, like giving yourself the touch, feeling your face, feeling your skin, being in touch with yourself, with your body, and sort of, you can even say affirmations like, it's gonna be okay, I'm here with you, everything's fine, I'm safe within myself, I feel safe in my body. Now the second practice is slightly different, it's more calming, and there are literally physiological reasons why it's calming. If you know about the sacrocranial therapy and about fascia, well, basically these two areas, one at the base of your scalp, like where the occiput bones are, this area here, this is where the fascia sort of started to grow out and form, and then the other area is at your sacrum. And these two areas are also the two places where we hold a baby, because in these two areas, this is the two fragile spots for the baby, because their heads it's still not able to hold, and at the sacrum everything is still very soft and we support them. And so also for the brain, it's kind of like remembering the safety of being held by our parents. So what you can do is either sitting, you can just sit and hold the head of your head and the sacrum, and just breathe into it again. Breathe into, slow down your breath. Maybe you can count your breath. Inhale 4, hold 4, and exhale 4. You can inhale 4 through the nose, hold 4, and exhale through the mouth. So just even that breathing and this presence of your hands in this particular area is very soothing. You can also do this lying on the side, so you could crawl in the bed on your side and also hold these two areas in the bed and listen to a calming music. So these are simple practices that you can implement as of now, as of today, and they're very effective. So try them out. I'm curious to know if you have any questions or if you have anything that comes out of this experience and you want to share in the comments below. And I'm wishing you a beautiful day. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. Don't forget to like this video, and I'm excited to see you in the next one.